if you could help me out. I've just launched a web store. At my store, you can buy a variety of different wood products I've made from local hardwoods. Also, on that web store, you can find very unique gifts, such as these. These are cow skulls that I have restored and made some modifications to. You can see, using an epoxy clay, I've enhanced the brow line on both sides to give this skull a little bit more of a badass look. I call this skull Liberty, and it's a painted skull. It's been restored. There's other parts of the skull that I've restored, and it's a combination of a skull carving. You have 1776 that's carved into the skull. You have a relief carving of a star on either side of the skull, and on the star there was about 10 layers of paint that I then wet sanded down to reveal a red, white, and blue pattern, a unique red, white, and blue pattern in the star. So this skull right here is the Liberty, and you can find it on my website. There's only one, but I can make more if you're interested. But this is where I need your help. I have two versions of America themed skull. Same thing, this is another cow skull that I restored. It also has some modifications to the brow to give it a little bit more of a badass look. This has a 1776 relief carving and 3 stars that are also in a relief pattern, and then they also have about, I don't know, 10 or 12 layers of paint on them, and then they're sanded back down to present a unique color scheme on the stars in the 1776. So that's this guy, and then I have this one. So I need your help. Like, which one do you like? Which kind of design should I continue to proceed with and make? And do you like the eye enhancements, or would you prefer to keep it the same? So I would love your comments on these. You can find these at my web store. I've also been doing some commission work for people. They'll send me their skulls, and I will either do some sort of a relief carving and incorporate the Fordite method to reveal different kind of color schemes that they might want. If you don't know what the Fordite method is, go check out my YouTube video on Fordite painting. I'll leave a link in the description below. I've also been doing some skull restoration work for various people. I'm about ready to kick off a video on a pig skull, a hog skull. This hog skull I picked up in West Texas when I went on a pig hunting trip, and that is going to be kind of a neat little skull project. So what I need your help for is which one of these skulls do you like, and do you like those brow enhancements that kind of give it that patriotic theme? So thank you for watching, and please leave me a comment below. Thanks a lot.